Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to create AI generated wallpaper on Snapchat. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's start. First, open your Snapchat app and then navigate to your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji icon on top left corner of your screen. Now go to this Snapchat Plus option. Here you can see this generative chat wallpapers option. So to create AI generated wallpapers, all you need to do is buy the subscription of this Snapchat feature, and then you can give commands to create your unique AI generated wallpapers. It will simply follow your commands and generate the wallpapers. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you.